your team, it is very important to develop your leadership skills for your own life. That is why it is important to learn by each and every one of you. Okay? Can anyone say what are the leadership qualities you know? Why it is much important? Can anyone say? Yeah? Fairness. Fairness. Okay. So what are the leadership qualities?
Makes us organized with what they say.
Yes, wait, I will come to this. Yes?
It makes us organized for our day.
Okay, it makes us to get organized with. Yeah, you learn to respect everyone's opinion. That's correct. You learn to be confident while you become a leader. Yes?
We learn teamwork.
Teamwork, that's exactly.
Guide people.
Yeah, true. You can guide people.
Be responsible.
Yes, obviously you will be responsible. Motivate others. Okay, all the points are valid and you can clap for those who answered correctly. Sir taught you how to groom yourself. That means I am successful, I am powerful, I am beautiful, boys, I am handsome and I am happy. That means your self-grooming develop. You are fully satisfied with your own things. That means you are thinking that I am a successful person and my willpower is good. I am capable to do anything. And you are saying that your self-confidence is good. That is, you are beautiful, you are handsome. It means your self-confidence is increased. At last you are saying that I am happy. That means optimistic. You are positive person, thinking positively. And after you groom yourself, it is very important to recognize others' emotions as well. It is not that only you are grooming and you are developing your selfishness. It's not the way. You should learn how to respect others' emotions as well. That is why he taught you are important, you are kind, you are brave and you are smart. Okay, so that means you are thinking that, oh, I am intelligent and equally you value your friend, your neighbor, your sibling, your parents, your relatives, others. You are treating them equally. As a leader, you should possess some skills to value your team, understand your teammates, how capable they are, how much strength they are. Then only you can decide your own team spirit and team strength. Before getting into the leadership qualities, we can classify the leadership styles into 3 types. Okay, the first one is autocratic leadership style. That means, who is Hitler? Hitler dictator. Okay, why you are calling dictator? He is not a leader. He forces people. Very good. See, Hitler's rule is one-man army. That means he decides himself and he will pass on the order or command. He will not discuss with the ministers or the members. Okay? Yeah, Kim Jong also. Yeah. See, this kind of leadership style, autocratic leadership style. Autocratic means you will not discuss with anyone and you will not give freedom to say some suggestions. Instead, you will make your own decision whether it is right or not. That is why the Hitler committed suicide at last for his own wrong mistakes and he misled the country. He ruled the country and ruined the country. Okay, so this autocratic style of leadership will not work. Okay, then next come to the second leadership style, that is laissez-faire. So you have the option to discuss style of leadership skill. Do you think it is good? Democracy. Very good. Democratic leadership style. Next slide. Very good. Now, knowing the way. What are the 4 key elements of knowing the way? Very good. What are the 4 key elements? achieve something. You're all successful. You're all powerful. You girls are beautiful. You boys are handsome. You're all happy. You are recharging your strength. You are transforming your negative energy into positive. Now slowly breathe in. While inhaling, you are taking all positive vibes around you. Slowly exhale. While exhaling, you are leaving all your negativities. Very good. Now rub your hands. Fast, fast, fast. Rub your hands. Fast. Now place it on your eyes. Good. Gently press your palm on your eyes. You can feel that warmth. Now slowly open your eyes. Good. All your faces are recharged.
I learned about leadership qualities and I learned about showing the way, going the way, and studying.
Okay. Very good. Clap for him.
Fun activities in the beginning, it was fun and nice and active. Then I get to learn about empathy and leadership, which is important in our life, and how to be responsible.
Okay. Thank you.
So the session had been developing the skills related to personality development and the leadership qualities. So many of the